इसको छोड़कर जेल में आना पड़ा?
जी देखिए, हम बोल रहे हैं कि हम पार्टी को जो हम इतना लंबा समय दिए और हम कभी रात को रात नहीं माने, अनवरत हम जनता का सेवा करते रहे और पार्टी का कोई भी निर्देश हमने बहुत ही ईमानदारी से पालन किया, बहुत ही ईमानदारी से। लेकिन इस समय जो चुनाव आ गया तो ऐसे समय में हमको पार्टी ने कहा कि आपको बरहेट से चुनाव लड़ना है। तो जो हम 24 साल से दुमका को समय दिए हैं तो हम बरहेट में जाके हम कैसे चुनाव लड़ेंगे? हम वहाँ का कुछ नहीं जानते हैं। दुमका में हम एक एक चीज जानते हैं, दुमका के आसपास का एक एक चीज जानते हैं, लेकिन बरहेट से हम लोगों का आना जाना कभी रहा नहीं है। तो हमने इसीलिए कह दिया भाई हम बरहेट से चुनाव नहीं लड़ेंगे, नहीं लड़ सकते हैं। उतना के बाद भी घोषणा हो गया उम्मीदवारों का, भारतीय जनता पार्टी का घोषणा हो गया और दुमका से किसी और का नाम आ गया। तो फिर हमने निर्णय ले लिया कि जब हम अपने जीवन में संकल्प ले लिए हैं जनता का सेवा के लिए, तो सेवा साधारण तरीके से भी होता है। हम जो पिछले 5 सालों से वो करते भी रहे हैं, लेकिन जिस रूप से सेवा होना चाहिए वैसा हो नहीं पाता है। तो उसके लिए एक मंच चाहिए होता है और इसीलिए हम चुनाव लड़ना चाहते हैं। और इसीलिए हम यहाँ पर माननीय मुख्यमंत्री हेमंत जी से संपर्क हुआ और इन्होंने सहज स्वीकार किया। हाँ।
क्या आपको भरोसा दिलाया गया है कि आप जहाँ से चुनाव लड़ना चाहती थी बीजेपी से, इस बार वहाँ से टिकट मिलेगा आपको?
देखिए, हम अभी एक गार्जियन उनको माने और हमारा समस्या उनके सामने है, तो वो हमको कहीं चुनाव लड़ाएंगे, ये उनके ऊपर देते हैं। हाँ।
You have rejoined JMM party. What was the situation that you took this decision?
See, I like to put it this way, that I have come back to my family. It's not rejoining, because this was a launch pad, this was a platform which was given to me by Honorable Chief Minister Hemant Soren ji, which actually offered me an opportunity to enter Jharkhand politics and serve the people, which I did to the best possible strength of mine. And now I have returned because when I went to Bharatiya Janata Party, I was there with a thought that perhaps through a national platform, I'll get to serve more people. I'll get to do more for my people. But contrary to that, I guess the only parameter that they have, that you need perhaps to get promoted or go bigger in your role in BJP, is how many Ganesh Parikrama that you do every day, and absolutely you can say sycophancy, and perhaps also you need to have a few degrees in corruption. That is a good parameter for them to choose you as a candidate. You can see so many candidates in the parliament who have such tainted past, but still they manage to get the Lok Sabha tickets. So these are the learnings that I have received in my 4.5 years of my stay in that party, and I'm very happy that I've returned to my you can say my original address where I started my political journey from.
These are the serious allegations you are putting. Like
I've already put them. I put them officially. They run it like a multinational company. Let me tell you that. They run it like a multinational company. You have no emotional connect whatsoever with your employees. They just use you. They just use you when they think that you cannot be used anymore. They throw it into the dustbin. Because I can give you examples. You tell me why they gave tickets to such people who have got tainted past, who have got serious allegations of corruption, murder, rape. Those people got tickets in the parliament. But people who really serve the society, who really put in their hard work to do something meaningful for the society, they never get encouraged. And it is for everybody to see. I'm not sharing something which is not in the public domain. Everybody can see that. You see in Jamshedpur, in the district of East Singhbhum, there are 4 seats that BJP is contesting. Out of those 4 seats, 3 have gone to wife, daughter-in-law, and son of 3 former chief ministers. So you can very well imagine they have no moral ground, they have no positioning to lecture the world about nepotism.
Now, have you been assured the ticket?
See, first thing,
by the chief minister.
I have not joined rejoined. Rather, I have not come back to my home to get a party ticket for the election or anything. It is absolutely unconditional. I have left it to the Honorable Chief Minister. It is up to him how he decides to utilize my potential, my knowledge, and my political acumen. It is purely up to him. Whatever he chooses for me, whichever capacity he thinks I can be used in the best way, that will be my job.
The timing of joining is questionable, and this leads to the many questions like.
See, you can always speculate. I am no one to comment on that. You can always speculate. But my very clear view on this is I have come back to my home and it is Honorable Chief Minister's call how he wants to utilize me.
न्यूज नेशन अब व्हाट्सएप पर खबरों के ताजा अपडेट के लिए न्यूज नेशन के इस क्यूआर कोड को स्कैन करें